everybody. This is Sarah Matrango, the Family and Community Health Agent in Kaufman County. Today we are making turkey gnocchi skillet. So I've already started browning the ground turkey. We already have the 4 tablespoons of minced garlic in there. We're going to end up going in after this is completely browned with our half diced onion. And let that cook in for a little bit. I'm going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes with the ground turkey, the onion and ground turkey, and then I'm going to start adding in all of the components that we have on the table, which is 8 ounces of gnocchi. I have 6 cups of spinach. I have 1 full can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of drained, unsalted kidney beans, 1/4 cup of water, and then for our toppings is your 2 different types of cheeses, which is either parmesan or mozzarella. After about 5 minutes of letting that simmer, I'm going to add the gnocchi in and let that cook for about 5 more minutes. After about 5 minutes of letting that marinate all together, I'm going to add in the 1/4 cup of water and then the 6 cups of spinach. After about 5 minutes of letting the spinach wilt, I'm going to add in the diced tomatoes and the drained unsalted kidney beans, white kidney beans. And then I'm going to let that cook for an additional 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of letting it simmer and cook down and mix together, we're going to serve and enjoy. Oh, that's good. Check back next month to see what we're cooking in the office then.